YouTube friends and family. How are y'all today? You know, it's another Dollar Tree haul. This is about 2 weeks. It's been sitting around, but it's still a Dollar Tree haul. And it has prep items, stockpile items. My household, I am very uncomfortable if we get down to 40 rolls of toilet paper, which that never happens. But if I was to see that we are down to 40 rolls of toilet paper or less than 10 bottles of body wash, or I just get nervous. I want my house to be fully stocked at all times, just in case 2020 so happens again, and it may even be something else. And they say, oops, you can't go to the store. Oops, you can't do nothing. And work with what you have until we drop something at the doorstep. You just don't know how these tides gonna turn these days. Hurricane obliterating areas. If your house is still standing and you good, you know, you may be able to help a neighbor, a friend, or whatever. But you won't, even if it do blow away, then so be it. It wasn't meant for you to have it. But if you have it and something happens, it's better to have, what does it say? Have and not need than to need and not have. And I don't care what it says. If they say I'm a hoarder, I don't care. My house is not that hoarded. But I do have some 2 and 3 and 4 of everything, just about. Just in case. Because I don't want to get caught without. And something happens. I was not one of the ones in there fighting for toilet paper because I keep a yield supply. But this is what I push. Prep. Don't prep to your detriment. It's couponing. It's food banks that give away extra toiletries. Even if it's a toothpaste brand you don't use, if you have nothing, and you want to brush your teeth, you'll use it. If it's a body wash you don't use, shoot, you may have to use that to wash dishes. The kids may be able to use it. You just can't discount, not count out everything. If it's shampoo, shoot, you might have to use that to wipe down the sidewalk after something happens, or after a dead animal. You can use it for something else other than shampooing. So just keep in mind alternate uses for some of the things you may receive and say, okay, yeah, let me put this in the garage because I might be able to wash that off with it, or wash off some patio furniture with some shampoo if it come down to it. So keep that in mind when you're in the store. Even if you have a friend that may not always have what they need, buy a little extra. Dollar Tree is a good place for that. So I have this Dollar Tree haul. Now, one thing I did find at the Dollar Tree is that they have gone up on the greeting cards. They were $1 a piece, and I needed them, but they were $1 a piece. Had some deaths in the family all at one time, but we won't talk about that. And I was able to score because I went to my favorite Dollar Tree in Fernandina for the people in Jacksonville. And I was able to score the washing machine cleaner that everybody's been posting. So I'm going to give that a try. My washing machine, old child. But until it fall to pieces on my laundry room floor, it will be doing what it did. I always grab these when I see them. If you have sensitive skin, this works well. Essentials body wash, you get 15 ounces for $1.25. Always keep these on deck because cameraman will sit there until he down to 2. And I'm going in there freaking out because I'm like, well, why didn't you tell me you were running out? But one day he gonna do that and I'm gonna make him use all that bar soap I stockpiled too. How about that? This is another body wash that they had. Cool water, Ultra Max 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. How they do that, I don't understand. It smells pretty good though. Nice, clean, light scent. They also had this. This is new, and I want to say this retails for a few more dollars at the Walmart, like $3, $4, $5. I didn't look it up, but I do believe it retails way higher. And this is Speed Stick Sandalwood Splash, and this is a 14.8 ounce, $1.25. That was new at the Dollar Tree. So as you can see the theme here, Zest body wash 2-in-1. This is the hair and body wash, and it is 15 ounces. Stock up. So he has 4. Oh, wait a minute, and that's not it. So I got the Intensely Fresh and the Fresh Aqua Zest. $1.25. Make sure you get the bonus sizes. That's your best value. And if it's a scent that you like. Always keep extra detergent. And I saw this because it was citrus lemon. I love a lemony scented dish detergent. So I say I wanted to give this a try. Can never have too much dish detergent. Did I get this off? I hope I got this off the shelf. Because it's been in the bag. But this, buy lemonade. This is a great deal because they retail for a lot more in your Whole Foods and stores like that. So this is strawberry lemonade. I'm excited to give this a try. Then I found 2 of these, which I have the pellets that I bought at Five Below a while back. But this foams. The pellets that I bought do not foam. So I wanted to give this a try because I do this about once or twice a month, clean my garbage disposal. So I bought 2 of those, was happy to be able to find them. Bag one down. Now this is something just cutesy that I saw and I did not. I just wanted to try them. This would make a cute addition to a gift basket. These are bath petals. This is my first time seeing them. If you've seen these before in Dollar Tree, comment below because this is my first time. And you know I'm in there all the time. I don't always look for bath products, but yes, I like to take my relaxing soaks. I also take peroxide baths, which I wouldn't put this in. But I also take my relaxing soaks, and I would love to, put some petals in the water, and, make it all pretty and fancy. So it has sodium sulfate, which I believe is in that Epsom salt, and glycerin, water, maize, cornstarch, polyvinyl alcohol, polyethanol, fragrance, perfume, blue color. So I don't know, I might try it. But I thought it was very, very cute. Then I found this. Now, kids of the 70s, we grew up on Sesame Street. Even though they had, the messages. Now that we grown, we can see the messages. But these are disc 1 and 2 of the spoofs. This retails for $10 on eBay. $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. 2 disc set. Which, y'all gonna laugh because this is from the last Dollar Tree haul. If you're a basket maker, they had these the last time. They still had these. And you compare this with this and make a nice Sesame Street themed basket, which this is an LED projector light. I bought this last haul, and I say this would go good in a little kitty basket. So maybe even invite it to a 1-2-year-old birthday party. And I say, let me have that on hand just in case. And then I always grab these. These are a great prepping supply. They have a long expiration date. You can keep these for the summer, for the hurricane season. Y'all know, soon as them lights go off and them devices go off and the TV goes off, what the kids gonna say? I'm hungry. Crackers, and then I have other items that you can give them. Let me find those. I like those crackers with these chicken and ham. I keep these on deck. Because sometimes if I can't find my lunch in my little 30 minutes, I just grab me some crackers and this and call it lunch. So I keep those on deck. They go very well with those crackers. So then, like last time I showed you one phone stand. This is a cute phone stand with a thumbs up hands. And it holds your phone. I hadn't tried this one, but the other one I bought last time was good. I love the way it works. I use it when I'm washing dishes at the kitchen sink. So I'll have my phone there watching some YouTube or something like that. And then, so this is the other one. Yes, and I can certify that this works very well. They have all kinds of patterns and colors for you. Take a look. Great addition to a gift basket. This, like I'm going to do this. I just have never seen this. Find Your Balance Healthy Goals Journal. So this is a weight loss goal and journal with meal tracking. So almost like Weight Watchers, if you want to do it on your own without paying, do some old school Weight Watchers, something like that. Weekly meal tracker. You can use this for meal planning. That would be a good idea because it has it broken down into breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks and the calorie count. But you can use these for meal planning too. So I thought this was something new and different at the Dollar Tree. In the $1.25 section, because you got to specify this. All this was $1.25 because I know they're changing the plus stores everywhere. This store did have a plus section, and that was freezer stuff that I probably won't be showing because I didn't bring it in here to show you. Oops. And to tell cameraman to get it would be just too much. Just too much. But I bought the BB Golds, and they were like $3, and everybody's been showing them. The Chinese dumplings and stuff like that. I did buy a few $3 items. So keep these on deck. Floss picks. This is good prep supply. Just in case you can't brush your teeth, these should be in your go bag. So these, the first time I bought these, I had the chocolate chip and the oatmeal. We already ate the chocolate chip. The chocolate chip were tolerable. The first time I liked them, but the second time they tasted way too chemically and processed for me. So I'm going to try the oatmeal raisins and see, but you get 3 cookies. This is great for a gift basket. I don't know if you caught my short or if I released that short yet. With the Walgreens 2 bottles of wine. So you could really, if you want to give somebody like a charcuterie or a snack basket with those 2 bottles of wine that were regular $21.99. I got them for $2.19. You can take them out of the little Christmas box, gift box packaging, throw them in a nice gift basket with some snacks, some cookies, some of these to dip your little crackers in. You know, little items like that, and make a nice little snack gift basket with your wine. So that's a great idea too. Then, these. I have never seen these here before. So I say we're going to buy them and give them a try. Mrs. Freshly's Oreo brownies. I'm so glad that cameraman didn't really go in these bags because these would have been gone had he. I did go in the bag myself and get those chocolate chip cookies. This is another thing that would go well with the wine, with the chicken and ham dip, is this roasted garlic bagel chips. I get these every time I go, and they're there because they are amazing. Again, if cameraman sees them, I won't get a warning. I'll look around and they will be gone. So I did buy 2 bags. And I don't want to be that mama like my mama was, hiding food in my room just so I can get to taste it. I just don't. Because I don't need, 9 times out of 10, if I don't get the taste, I don't need it anyway. I ain't lose weight anyway. So, but it's here. So another thing I do keep on board is these prepping supply. If you need to cook outside, cook on the grill in the event of an emergency. Foil dinners. Perfect size for your foil wrap dinners. And last bag with new stuff. New stuff. I saw this, and I have not looked up the regular price, but this is front porch pomegranate flavored lemonade. This was $1.25. I'm scared because it was in the refrigerator section. I hope it was able to be on the shelf. I gotta find that out. First ingredient is water, so most likely it does not say keep refrigerated. But when I saw it, I really wanted to try it. Y'all pray for me because I'm going to sure try it. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator now. Pray for me. I forgot some of this stuff was cold. I thought I threw all the cold stuff. I threw the frozen stuff, but I just forgot all about the cold. And I do like Life Water, whole body hydration. Just if I'm on the go and would like a bigger bottle of water to take. This is a good one. $1.25, and I do believe it retails for more at the Walmart. And they had pineapples. These pineapples are good till, I thought I saw a date. Here it is. 2025. Libby's pineapples. 2025. So I bought the rings and the chunks. Ooh. Slice and chunk pineapple from Libby's to add to the prepper pantry. This is a good refreshing summer treat too. So I hope you liked this haul. I hope you got some great ideas of new Dollar Tree products. What you could be on the lookout for if you saw something you like, because it might not even be on your radar. Like these little books, they were on the floor in a box. So you got to kind of look around in there and see what you can find, especially the one I go to. Now, the one I go to, you walk in, and to the right, you have about 15 to 20 horizontal rows. Then you have another all through the middle, about 15 to 20 vertical rows. At least 15. I didn't count them. But 15 to 20 vertical aisles. Then you have the freezer in the back corner. And then you have the cleaning stuff all along the back wall. And then you have another section with another 15 to 20 aisles. And that is the food, the shelf-stable foods and the bath stuff. So that store is so huge. It is about the size, at least half the size of your average full-size grocery store. So I love going to that store, but you really have to be alert, keep your head on swivel, because they have even like a fully stocked 3 craft aisles, fully stocked, like a whole half aisle of books, because they have them in 2 sections. They have 2 sides of the rows and cards. It's just like a little bit of everything. And that's like my Dollar Tree Wonderland. So I hope you like this video. I hope you got some great ideas on what to look for. Again, prep and pray. Don't be caught out here slipping when it's hurricane season. Prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. Have a great day.